All right, Kadena. What price? I keep getting this question. Okay, we don't need to look at a chart for this. What price will Kadena be when Bitcoin's at 100K? All right. There's an easy way to answer it. From last bull market to this bull market, the large caps that survived, okay, or the hot big cap altcoins that survived, they either did not break all-time highs on price, US dollar price, or they went roughly 3x from its previous all-time high. So next bull market, I think it's a safe assumption, Bitcoin charges through 100K, one of those things will happen with Kadena, or be happening. So at the exact moment of Bitcoin at 100K, I'm not going to make a guess what Kadena will be, but either that whole bull run, Kadena will never get back up to its previous all-time high, or during that bull market, it'll 3x. It's that simple. All right. Could it exceed my expectations? Probably not, because the market will be even more diluted next time. There will be more projects and newer projects that people are the new wave of crypto people that weren't here last run. So all the noobs next run, they're not going to give two shits what Kadena is. That was your new coin. There are going to be plenty of other hot, fresh coins for them to talk about, like Burnonomics Omi, right? Omi won't come back next time. It's not going to go to its all-time high, right? That's going to be old news. It's going to be new stuff. So, I mean, don't assume Kadena will break all-time highs next bull run. It's not a safe assumption. It isn't. It really isn't. And if you think it is, you're wrong. It's not a safe assumption, man. A lot could happen in a bear market. All right, so let's go look at this. Under $100. So let's say December 2024. Probably have to use the 2-day chart for that. Let's say it goes a little bit more than 3x. Let's say $143. Let's call it 150. From the bottom target, so it's probably going to go under 100 or under $1 this time. I mean, that's going to be way over 100x. That'd be 180x. Man, that would be nasty. Woo! Yikes! That gives me the GBs. If at 3, yeah, that would be sick. That would be a sick play to buy this under $1 and sell it when it gets $100. Woo! Ooh, lordy! But I have a feeling that this trajectory. Oh, whoa! It does hit it! No way! No, did you see what just happened? I did not plan that at all. Look, watch this. So yes, I think it could have hit $150 if it breaks all-time highs. Look, let me zoom in and show you the importance of this. So starts off roughly at this candle, right? Somewhere about there. Hits that wick high. Zoom out. Extend it. Look at this. This is crazy. Watch. Oh, wait. There. It hits almost the same exact point. $150 is actually a pretty good target. Yeah, I think this trajectory is, and so you could essentially go like this, and I think the origin lines will do this over time. I am pretty certain that the origin lines will be set by that, so I should actually just keep these here. Keep them about equidistant. So there's your answer. Next, so it's not exactly to your question. You said when Bitcoin hits 100K. So I would say Bitcoin's going to hit closer to 250,000 next time. So when Bitcoin's at 100K, I would say this is close to all-time highs. Maybe just, I would say it's in this box between $23 to $39 when Bitcoin is specifically at 100K. That would be my guess. And that guess is picking a side from my preface earlier. My preface was either it won't break all-time highs on US dollar price like Litecoin didn't, Monero didn't. Monero might have peaked its head above, and so maybe Litecoin got close. They both got close. Dash, monetary coins just didn't get any love this time. They will have their day, which is why I'm accumulating Dash. And just on spot trade during this bear market, I've doubled my Dash. Now, the value of all my doubled Dash has gone down, but that's one of 3 coins, or well, it's actually really the only coin I'm heavily trading spot. But I have 192 now, and I start off with 100. But again, the US dollar value is way lower, even though I have almost double. But so this coin, I'm doing this analysis with the assumption that I have to pick a side. Either it will be one of the many coins that don't ever get back to all-time highs, or it's gonna 3x or so. And so I'm picking a side. This could get a lot of love next time as well. It could replace. I would hope this replaces Cardano. Cardano better not get freaking news and attention from YouTube love this next 3 bull runs in a row. Oh, gosh. Like, honestly, I would hope Kadena replaces it. So if Kadena could, even though it might be layer 2 versus layer, I don't know much about Kadena, but just the attention, right? So fill the void of attention for you big YouTubers talking about stuff, which makes it skyrocket, right? If Kadena can take Cardano's place, it could 10x all-time highs, potentially. If it were to fill that one spot. If it filled the spot of Luna, it won't 10x, right? Because Luna was only around for a little bit. It's going to be, people won't even remember it next bull run. Like noobs in 2024, they'll hear people who've been around longer say, Luna, what's that? You know, they won't know what it is. I'm telling you, they won't. Anyway, so that's Kadena. Yeah, under $1 could be a pretty good buy this bear market. So and if the team does well and it gets some YouTube love next bull run, it could be quite a good asset to be holding. Yeah, Kadena's not looking that bad.